Oh my God, let's go. Let's go. Look at that. Oh my God, let's go. Let's freaking go, bro.
What's up, everybody? Kamokid here. Hope y'all doing good. Hope y'all staying safe. Hope you guys are staying healthy. But anyway, I got another video for you guys. It's going to be a frog leg catch, clean, and cook. It's going to be a pretty cool recipe. I think you guys will enjoy. So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.
The first one down, guys. There we go. One frog down. Yes, sir. All right, but one frog down, guys.
Nope.
Oh, he got away from me.
Nope.
Guys, we got number 2 right here. 2 down for tonight. I've already missed like 7 times, but we're 2 in. Oh guys, we got one right here. We got another one, guys. Frog number 3. It has been a struggle tonight. I've missed like so many times. That's part of it.
That's number 3 for the night. See if we can get a few more. So we don't need too many.
Oh, is that one right there? Oh, I just found a frog. Yeah, I see one. I got one in my sights, but stop. It's right there. Oh, I got him. Oh, I got him. Let's go. I don't know how I managed to get that frog, guys. That was crazy. I almost fell getting this frog, guys, but I got him. All right, guys, that's 3 down. Oh, there's one right there. I see one. It's way back there. Oh my God, let's go. Look at that. Oh my God, let's go. Let's freaking go, bro. Guys, y'all don't understand how hard of a gig that was either. I'm on a roll tonight. This is 5.
Yeah.
This is 5 right here, guys. But if you guys watched that clearly, you should have seen how I got that frog. I don't know. I shouldn't have been able to get him at all, but that was luck right there. God was almost out with that one. But that's number 5. Let's see if we can get a few more. We really don't need many. It's just me and my girl eating tonight, so you don't need that many. But that's number 5 right there, guys. Let's go. They jump around in my backpack and give me a little massage, but we got 5 guys, so let's see. We didn't really need many more. It's just feeding 2 of us tonight, so we may try to get 1 or 2 more and call it quits. And I'll probably see y'all back in the kitchen unless we find 2 more frogs or another frog or 2 just to get. But you will see here shortly if I get another frog or not. But we got 5 already, which is pretty good. So all right, so we have 1 little frog. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, probably not, but I'm gonna see if I can sneak up on him and get on him real fast. So Kamokid in action. Let's go.
He farted.
Nope.
All right, guys, we got 1 more frog in our sight right here. All right, I got him, guys. That's number 6 for the night right there, guys. So we ended up with 6 tonight, guys, and that's more than enough for both of us 2 to eat. We'll probably eat some frog legs and some French fries or something, but I got a special recipe I want to show y'all. It's pretty cool. Something that I came up with, I don't know how long ago, probably like 2 or 3 months ago. It's a little different, but I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy it. I'll see y'all when we get to the cribbo.
All right, guys, so we made it back to the house with my backpack full of frogs, my massage bag, you know. They're still alive. I'm about to pull a couple of these frogs out and show you how to clean them, but of course, I'm not going to show the process of me cleaning them. I'm explain the steps I take to clean my frogs. If you have a different way, please leave it down in the comments or something, you know. Let me know a better way or easier way to clean the frog. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to clean my frogs real fast. Usually what I'll do is I'll take me a knife and I'll cut right here, like around his waist. And I'll take the pliers to grab his skin, you know, and pull it like taking his pants off, scoop, and take his pants off, as I say. And then I take my scissors and cut off the clean frog. And that's practically all I do to clean my frogs. But I'll get to you after I have that part done. After you get your legs cut off, there's this little white thingy right here. And what you want to do is you want to take that. See if you guys can see that. You want to take that and you want to pull it out. It'll start dancing a little bit, as you can see. But yeah, after you get it all cleaned out, take that out, because it's just like, you know, it's not very appetizing once it's done cooking and everything. So I always go ahead and take it out. But
All right, so after you get that part done, what you want to do next, you want to take your frog legs and you want to get them in some cold water and put some salt on top of them. Something crazy will happen if you do it. I'm about to show you, but yeah, after you get your legs completely cleaned off, you get your feet off, get your skin off, just put them in some cold water with some salt and they will start to do something crazy. This is what your frog legs should like when they're completely cleaned. Yeah, all these frog legs in here are completely clean, but then next what you want to do is put some salt water on top of them. They will start to move like this if you pay close enough attention. So I got my completely clean frog legs soaking in some salt water. So what I'm about to do is I'll let that soak overnight. I'm about to clean up this mess and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. All right, guys, it's the next day. My frog legs have been like cooling and soaking in salt water all night in the fridge. But what I'm about to make is my world famous Kamokid spicy frog legs, you feel me? I'm gonna show you my little recipe of how I make my frog legs. It's a little different, but it's healthy. It's very, very healthy. It's good for you. I'm gonna show you my little recipe, see if we can make something fire. I got my frog legs, they've been soaking in salt water overnight. So what you wanna do now is you wanna take these frog legs and go ahead and rinse them off to get all the excess off of them. So if you don't, they'll be very salty, so this part is very, very crucial. Please make sure that you wash off your frog legs after you have them soaking in salt water. Just make sure you take the time to wash off each individual frog leg just to get any excess salt. So this not, it'll be very, very salty by the time it's done cooking. And by the way, you can go ahead and get your oven started. I have it at like 450, I think. Just go ahead and get your oven preheated. I'll be making some french fries with it too. Just make sure you have your oven preheating already. And I'm about to show you my recipe for my world famous Kamokid spicy frog legs. All right, but first things first, I'm gonna have to put my potatoes in first because they take way longer than the frog legs will. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I cut up my potatoes. I'm gonna show you how I do that. All right, so after you get your potatoes cut up, I made a few a little too thick, so I had to go back and fix them. Go ahead and take them and put them in some cold water. What this does is get the extra starch off of them. We'll be baking these fries. We're not gonna fry them, we're gonna bake them. So just get them in some water, some cold water, and get the extra starch off of them. That's all I'm doing right here. And after this, I'm gonna show you how I season up my world famous Kamokid spicy frog leg. What you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and get your potatoes going though. They will take longer than your frog legs will though. All right, so get your potatoes on the pan and just take you some olive oil and just kind of drizzle over all of it. Not too much, just drizzle all over the fries. That's really all you gotta do for this part. And then take you some, I usually use sea salt, but this is kosher salt, and it really doesn't make a difference. Just go ahead and put some of that on there. I'm making a mess. All right, so go ahead and put some of that on there. And just a little bit of garlic powder on top will help too. Not too much, just a little bit. And that's all it really takes for your fries. It's that they're very, very simple. You just want to go ahead and throw them in the oven. Hey guys, so today,
Take 500.
So what's up guys? So today, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to get the base of my spicy frog legs. First, you wanna make sure there's no extra water in there because you will be using oil with this. Let me show you guys what's up. First, you wanna take you some olive oil and go ahead and put that in there. Go ahead, don't be scared to put any amount in there, just go ahead and put it in there. Don't put too much, of course. Next, need some garlic powder. And it's very easy to over season frog legs, so be careful. Onion powder. Paprika. Seasoned salt. Some black pepper. And the thing that will make your, depending on this, will really decide how hot you want your frog legs to be, is the amount of cayenne pepper you put in there. So that's honestly up to you how hot you actually want your frog legs to be. Me, I like them pretty spicy. So also there will be a sauce I'm putting on top of them as well. But so as hot as you want your frog legs to be depends on how much cayenne pepper you put in there. So I guess you should be very careful if you don't really like very hot things of how much you should put in there. Me, I put a pretty decent amount because I like mine pretty spicy. That's how I am. That's the Kamokid way, you feel me? Basically, when you get everything in there and get it mixed up, get everything in there together, let it just sit in there.
let the magic happen in there, you know what I'm saying? Just let some magic happen in there. So what you wanna do is, you're gonna let that sit there for a little while. All right, so first you get your rack in a little pan, and you just wanna put some water, just enough water like to fill in like the bottom layer of the pan. That's really all you gotta do. It's just enough water to fill in the bottom layer of the pan. The reason I do this, because when I don't do it, I'm saying they was fine, but when you do this, they come out like way more juicy, a little more tender. Like the water starts to steam, and it steams them a little bit, so they come out way more juicy than usual. So go ahead and just take your frog legs, and all you want to do is just spread them out pretty evenly on the rack, and that's literally all you got to do. Throw them in the oven. They'll probably take like maybe 25 to 30 minutes to cook, and that's all. It's about as long as it takes. It's very quick, very easy, very simple, and it's healthy for you. But I will have to show you my sauce as well. I have a sauce for this as well, and I will be showing you guys that next. So after you get all of them spread out pretty evenly on your rack, you can go ahead and throw them in the oven as well. All right, so next, this is the only thing that makes it unhealthy, so you get to choose how unhealthy it is. But take you some butter, pretty decent amount. I'm using probably like a fourth. Yeah, I'm probably using about a fourth. And you want to drop it in there, don't want to have it too hot. And you just want to let that melt. And then after that gets melted, just take you whatever hot sauce, your favorite type of hot sauce. I don't know what you like, but I like Louisiana hot sauce. It's my favorite. Personally, it's my favorite. So after that butter melts, just take you some hot sauce, go ahead and put it in there with it, and just mix it together. That's all. It's that simple. That's my sauce for this. It's that simple. And once my frog legs come out of the oven, I just take my frog legs, put them in a bowl, and put my sauce on top of them, and they're ready to be served. But I got my sauce going, and my sauce is very simple. It's just butter and hot sauce, and you just gotta melt the butter and just add hot sauce to it, and it's that simple. My choice of hot sauce is Louisiana hot sauce. That's personally my favorite hot sauce, so very simple sauce, but I'll get to you when everything's done, and I'll show you the next steps. I'll be putting the sauce on frog legs. Yes, sir. The frogs, they're done. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna take these frogs out, put them in this bowl, and put them in my sauce and toss them around a little bit. Then after I get everything plated, the potatoes are done, or the fries are done too. So once I get everything plated, then I'll show you what it looks like. See you in a second. All right, guys, what you wanna do is take your frog legs, go ahead and drop them in a bowl. But next thing you wanna do, the sauce that you made over here on the side, your butter and hot sauce, your butter and hot sauce. You just wanna pour that in there like that. Sample piece, let's see what it's talking about. What you think? Ooh,
It's so good.
it's so good? Damn. Is it good, baby?
I think I'm gonna just take all of them.
What? That's the end result. This is what it looks like afterwards. Pond to table, you know what I'm saying? You know, hot, spicy frog legs, you feel me? But what we're about to do is, we're about to have my baby try it. Ain't that right, baby? Go ahead. Wow.
It's so good.
You like it?
Like it without the ranch.
You said what?
Without the ranch.
You like it better without the ranch? Okay.
I like it spicy.
What the fries tasting like?
We're good.
They're good?
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think?
10.
Damn! What happened? Oh, that's all we got for you. That's all we got for you guys today, but I hope you guys enjoy it. But until next time, stay safe, Kamokid out. Peace.